walk through the streets, you can see the hopelessness, seeing enough youths out there right now, have nothing at all to live for. Enough men, me I tell you the truth, seeing the hopelessness stand up. It turn up around you like a whoa. Brethren, my sister of all person supposed to work hard with me, help me to develop fast, real fast, to secure the family, the bloodline, both mama and daddy, because mama basically fresh out right now in Florida, you know. Seeing very interesting, seeing a whole heap of hopelessness out in my brethren and my sister. I not tell the other lie. When you see the people that spread out there and scatter out the brethren and doing nothing, wasting time, seeing you have to just try to come off of the street, get away from them real fast, because they're coming like a beast, like a Lego beast on the street, seeing, and you can't get them attention too tough, seeing, you can't get them attention. You have to try very careful not to get them attention, because if you get them attention, brethren, you have a whole heap of complication and difficulty, because the more set shot, the more coming in here as stumbling block. You know, see it, and them a come as good still, you know. All them a come do come ask for help on them thing there, you know. But then them thing there's gonna be a big problem too. Blazing out there, you see young men early as it is, as a man, as early as a bar is. And this way I end up. Understand me? I mean, I talk about young men who know I go through trouble like I with them family, with them sister too. Seeing them father dead left the house and the place give them on a beer sugar, because it's a problem with the sister. You see the Jamaican man, Virgin, we not telling a lie. The Jamaican sister, them last. Enough of them, me not put my mouth a ground and talk. I look straight dead in on why. Enough of the Jamaican sisters and the last and the gone straight. You know, I Eden. I don't know what destroy the bread of them. Me not telling like with the ignorance and the hypocrisy and the illiteracy and the quarrels and the algorithm. A sister supposed to work hard to secure the father bloodline, regardless, knowing that she cannot carry it on because it stopped with her. We as black people must try real hard to secure the bloodline, to secure our father's bloodline to the next generation. Real talk, we must make it a conservative effort to groom with children them, to possess the land for the future, for the next generation. That's the most important thing about things, and we don't realize it. It's not about selfish gain. It's not about how much car you can drive, how much car you can own, how much food you can eat. But it's a secure the bloodline, the lineage. Ladies, sisters, so secure. If you securing your own children, them, which is another man's bloodline, you must secure your father's children, them, which is your bloodline. The bloodline where you come out must be preserved for the next generation. So we have to groom the youths and we have to make sure so them have the equipment what them need for prosper on the level. We have to can see the levels, the generation. We have to can see in the future with the generation holds, what kind of tools them we need. We have to prepare them for the things ahead. Very, very important. That's why enough of the youths must stumble now. You see them enough of the black youths come out, them head empty. Them not have no roots, no culture. Them don't know which line, which blood. Them don't know what to live for. It becomes hopeless. We have to take it back to the root. We have to go study the things, and we have to go find out. We have to believe. We have to stop make Christianity, and what end it, because a lot of people love Christianity. I'm not telling a lie, but them not, because them feel like say Christianity is something where you can just scrape off of the top. Them don't want to dig deep. See, and we have to dig deep to find our roots and our culture. We have to dig it because black people, because it was ripped away from us. And we're there now, so we have to find, but because we have to preserve the land, we have to preserve the youth, and we have to secure the future and next generation. Make sure, say, God Almighty and bloodline reach there. Seeing boom shot. Seeing much love and respect. Yeah, the kind of bloodline I talk about is that father figure, that godly father figure, like the Almighty high up above. Understand?
The best thing I can tell the I them say in a this terrible time, yeah, to beat the hopelessness, find something to do. Find something to put your hand on, to work on. And everything charity first. So you have to walk around and look for the charity work. Them dead you have to do and do good. And you will find the charity work, you know. I tell you, once you start finding the charity work, you will find, so you can find some more things to do that the hopelessness will vanish. Gone away. Because when hopelessness set in a virgin, remember me telling you, you have a dangerous, deadly person at your hand who have nothing at all to live for, you know. You have to be careful how you're stepping at them way. Them people will do anything when they want. You have to just allow them and then go on. Your sister, they might live on the edge, ready for jump off.
For all the crime and all the violence that has been committed against you, the cares and all the tears, don't worry, help is on the way. My heart is moving. Black woman, black woman, black woman, black woman, black woman, black woman.
I have hopes and visions and dreams, and if you don't have it for myself, I have to have it for something to use, some youth that come up with, and I can just make sure say and I be the inspiration that them can grasp and see my lifestyle and just see and just get hopeful. Because right now people can understand what we are going through as black men. We just come out of slavery, especially in Jamaica. It's me talk about Jamaican family now, Jamaican black family, because we never sit on a level platform yet, you know. We just a era there, we just a coming at that era there right now, you know. That's why I say most time I'm going to Evandale and I'm going to the place and I videotape and I show the beauty of Jamaica and I show the development of black people and where black people is right now at this time. See, so for a black sister or a black brother come without understanding what I say, I try work hard to destroy your brother prosperity and your brother progress.
How you think it's right to just take my sons then, I will just take a man's sons and send them in a Babylon to the white man? Because that's all enough of you hopes is in the white man, but not to the black man's mission. A son supposed to join his father on the mission. More when me not talk about an evil father, like me say. I know every man a father. Me talk about a father. Father, God Almighty, I serve one Father. You understand me? Me not talk about no evil man. No, don't get me mixed up. See, me talk about a father figure with depth on a mission for sustaining the bloodline. From the look on the things them what him do, and what you can see what him is about. Because sometimes talking cheap, sometimes talk. But if you can look on the man's character and his tradition, and you will see the things. Because wherever in a man's heart, I saw him walk, you know. No matter you the talk, you know. When I'm hard, I saw him walk, I him walk after. See, ladies, it's not right. How you think it's right to just bring up my sons then? You know, choose me, you not qualify enough for my sons then dedicated to I and I. You know, dedicated to the mission. when father get on. See, because as far as it in the phone, it hopeless. So you quick pack them up and send them to the white man. Basically as a slave. Because if you not build a family business, your own wellspring, a family business, a wellspring of the family. Well, that's how the white man do it. That's how the Chinese do it. That's how a lot of nations do it. Why we as black men not supposed to achieve this? Blessed that them things their sisters stand for here. Blood lineage, see, fruit of my loins. Thank you.
So as me there so under me disguise. Nah, tell a lot. What a thing go on to poor Joey. You me talk Trumpy. My God. Hey, anything is possible, you don't know. I tell you now. You no go mess around and make Trumpy know say you no love him. No, sir. Real talk. Go make Trumpy know say you really not love him. Anything is possible, you know. See? Put fun and joke aside. Trumpy was a real dictator, you know. A mad dictator. As much as being a tribulation stage, but it's good for joy. Can't have them still with joy anyway. See? No. I really talk. Them go mess around. And make Trumpy know say they don't love him. My God. Yo, the man is human being, you know, he's human being. He's human being. When you check it out, he's still feeble with a whole heap of emotions and feelings. No telling what he might do. No, real talk. No telling what Trumpy might do. See, so the best thing you can do is stay out of the way. Dog. You take cover, dog. See, now you know say if you did be the next term, you know. Him and Bill Gates and a whole host of them that join forces together. You know. But put fun and joke aside again. Now let's see what Joe Biden. That's what I mean, you know. Let's see what Joe Biden will do or is gonna do, because it seems like black people have more hopes in Mr. Joe Biden than any other president, because we hear people speak about him in such a compassionate way that, you know, but still regardless of all these people, don't expect any president, any of these men to fix or to totally fix our problem. Them can do a lot of things and set off a lot of things in order, which is to carry it out, see, but let us approach with a calm expectation then. You see what I say? Yeah, man, a calm expectation, because can't build up a hopes too high and say, well, then, hey, better and more, do this and do that. Well, let hopes and do some really good thing now, because we realize we're up on the threshold, understand me, of Europe. Of Europe, I mean, revolution, rebellion, all kind of things, you understand me? Let's say with the power that he holds as a world government, then that we can really bind some things, some righteous things together, see, and release people, and make we live, because there's lots of people out there who want to live together, but because of the separation and the division and the politics and the religion and all kind of things, see, so make we approach with passion and expectation. Alright, boom, so Daniel Marshall there, saying, and as the day, you don't know where to come, the plumbing work. I will sit at the bathroom now. Yeah, man, I sit at the bathroom.
Yeah, and some of you brothers, and if you stop abusing the woman, them brethren, stop abusing them, real talk, stop killing them, stop shutting them up, chopping them up, stabbing them up and shoving them off of the edge, stop crashing in a car with them brethren, real talk, man, stop abusing the woman and causing them and giving them enough reason for accuse her and I of false and wrongfulness. You understand me? The push we in our no zone area. Live up well, stop abusing the woman them. Yeah man, stop killing them, stop raping them, stop abusing them. Yeah man, you see, do like Daniel Marshall do, and rather take a beat down. Yeah man, rather take a beating from a sister's son, rather than for react. Understand me? Because who may go kill? Which one more easier? Which one more easy? Which one more better to kill then? Which one? Should I kill my sister? That would I feel better? Or should me kill my nephew? Would that feel better? Either way you take it, brethren, a trouble on both sides. And it's a reaction where we don't want it. We don't want it. The reason even if we want to do it, I tell you them, even if we want to do it, we not do it just because of something that is expected. Just because of something that is expected. I find the black man, I saw them expect to react that go on in Jamaica, that go on in society. Understand me? Many men right now in my position are glad for the opportunity to react. On either side. Either I'm gonna knock out him sister, or I'm gonna knock out him nephew. Either way, or them might knock him out. Well, you know what? Thank you now. Because the world is with me, everybody's with me, and everybody knows, Daniel, you can't, they don't make them, you have to left and wrong them, then we kill you. And them will. We leave them to them own will. Me and my own self can't stop a person from killing me. If them choose to kill me, but I'm gonna put the reason why you shouldn't kill me before you kill me. Oh. People, listen me. The Bible says we must talk about the blessing that God is doing in our life. If we erect it up, if we tilt it up, if we raise it up. See, now hear me. One main important thing, my people, me not tell you I don't lie. My wife off my lip. See, because me not tell lie. If me tell lie, me just not know. But me not willfully set it out to tell lie, for do evil works and tell lie. But one main thing me tell you I the truth. Why me make it a conservative effort for God's church. Me not tell lie. Giving, open hands. Me love for giving to the basket in a church. Yeah man, me love to give donation. Me love to give charity. Me not tell the other lie because me see the result of it. The week as the week progress along. See, me I tell you the truth. Last week, Sunday, after my little incident with my family and thing, the attack from my life
with my family members them. For the first, I go to church last week, Sunday. See, I think that's the first week Sunday because last Sunday at the last, so that's the first week Sunday then. All right, I may have $200. I say yeah, because usually it's $100 me giving because most of the time that's all me have. Sometimes I just $50 me have. Understand me? But me have $200. I say yeah, me I'll give $200. I may I'll give it separate. No, me I'll put it in a one envelope. Me I'll put it in a one envelope. Cause me have ask God for a double portion. Believe me. I'm not telling a lie, people. Yes, if I'm going to bed Sunday night and wake up Sunday morning, somebody send me a donation of $10,000. I can go back and look and I really should go. I really should go forward and look and check and highlight this, you know, and highlight the person's name. But in time to come, seeing people, believe me, $10,000. I'm saying, yeah, boom. Call Steve. No, I never call Steve yet. We go do some things. We said me go collect the money and we go do some. I think we go to the post office. Yeah, and them thing there. All right, boom. That's where we got these. That's when I got these in the mail. All right, so Tuesday now is when we calling Steve. Understand me? By them finish work Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, when we wake up Tuesday morning, is that someone send me an email with another donation of $10,000. When I pick up the first $10,000, it was $10,000 flat, not 1 cent over or 1 cent less. We say give thanks. We stop down halfway tree and we talk to our bridge and we talk, and that's when we do the vlog with the bus center. Saying boom, Wednesday now, $10,000, but a little bit over, some cents and a little bit over. So that is a double portion. That is a double. Now this morning, me I tell you the truth. This morning, me I go to church again. See that? Where the $100? See that? See that? A $100 me have. The one if you can see it upside down, me turn it straight up. See that? Yeah man, $100 me have. And you know me go do? Me have changed it at $250. And I carry it and put it in the donation basket. One in one basket and one in the other basket and open hands. Yeah, I expect a turnover, I expect a miracle from God. Believe me, people, the work. And I think we say the work, but maybe because of the tune is from my heart still, you know. I don't know about you still, you know. I don't know about others, but maybe because of the genuineness and the truth from I and I heart. Why? And it's whole heap of miracles we are seeing. Boom shot. Thank the Adam again. Thank the Adam for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the videos. And then again, I want to see what kind of word Jah go drop in my soul again today, because believe me, the words ain't good enough. They make you strong and sharp, you know, and keep you aware and alert.